now we have covered a lot in the last 41 minutes. So we have now, I built a funnel in 1 hour. Actually, that was about 5 minutes, right? But here's the thing that I want to impress upon you. When it comes to pricing what you charge, do not diminish. I repeat, do not diminish your fee or lower your fee because it took you less time. If it took you years and it took you decades, or it took you going to a course to actually like pay money to learn how to do something faster, that is the convenience that you can sell as far as being your superpower, and that is compressing time. And then when you use AI to run more efficiently, then you can do things faster, and that in itself is what makes you more profitable. All right. So then zero tech skills, AI handles the heavy lifting, ready to launch in 60 minutes. The end of wasted weeks. Nobody likes their time wasted, right? The tutorial trap, the integration nightmare. We're going to take care of that. The empty launch inside the blueprint, the AI, pardon me, inside the blueprint, the AI audit, the prompt logic, the 60-minute build, the traffic engine, and then zero to launch. The brain dump, the architecture, the launch, the beauty elite. And you'll want to be FTC compliant and be sure to install your own reviews. Steal the system. I might change the lingo on that, but here you go. All right. So now next what we need to do is we need to connect it. So we went over these things over here, and when you are on the inside and the AI has done its thing, over here you can find the different drag and drop tools, so that this way, if there's something you want to change manually and you want to take the steering back over, you can. Because some of you might be in this class that remember how to drive a manual shift, and then now we have AI, which is like automatic, almost autonomous, right? So that's where you can change some of that. So what we have to do is, what I want to do is I'm going to take these download buttons and we're going to create a pop-up. And when you want to change any of the things in here, you'll just slow down, you'll hover, you'll look for the gear icon, and the gear icon is what will open the side tray for you to be able to make any changes to the buttons. And you have the ability to change the styles, add animation. Like actually what we'll add a little bit of animation right there. Be sure to hit save. Okay. So we're going to go over here now to pop-up settings. We're going to go here to, oops, hold on. Pop-up settings. We're going to create a new pop-up. Right now, there isn't a form. So we're going to put the form widget in there. You're going to click on that. It says we don't have any forms for this particular build. So we're going to click form, and then we're going to hit edit form. Right. And then we're going to name this, oops, hold on. You'll hit the pencil. I think this is demo number 10. All right. So what we have when it comes to forms is pretty self-explanatory. You have edit, you have your settings here. So this, I'm going to fill out this right now. We appreciate your submission, because I'll test the form right here. Please check your inbox, and we will be in touch very soon. Okay. We'll hit save. And then the other thing is that when it comes time to look for your submissions, you can find that they are going to be right there. Right. So we'll click there. And then all of these over here are also you can drag and drop. So in this case, I think too, what I will do is we'll look for, let's see, CAPTCHA. Let's see.